In a world that needs innovation, design thinking is an approach to problem solving that allows us to combine right brain creative thinking with left brain analytical thinking. We are at a critical point where rapid change is forcing us to look not just to new ways of solving problems, but to new problems to solve. Design thinking doesn't guarantee innovation, but innovation always hinges on design thinking principles. Design thinking draws upon logic, imagination, intuition, and systematic reasoning to explore possibilities of what could be and to create a desired outcome that benefits the end user. In its simplest form, design thinking is a process, applicable to all walks of life, of creating new and innovative ideas and solving problems. This creative process involves different stages like empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. To deliver innovative, customer-centric solutions through design thinking, we must begin with empathy. Empathize. Empathy is the shortest distance between design thinking and customer-centric solution. In order to develop empathy with users, it is clear that designers need to be able to converse, engage, listen, observe, and understand the outlook of other people, which means involving actual people in the design process. Understanding is closely paired and springs out of empathy. Get all of the information out of your head and onto a wall where you can start to make connections. Post pictures of your user. Post-its with quotes. Maps of journeys or experiences. Anything that captures impressions and information about your user. This is the beginning of synthesis process, which leads to define mode. Define. In this mode, define the challenge you are taking on, based on what you have learned about your user and about the context. The goal is to craft a meaningful and actionable problem statement called POV, or point of view. Why define? Your POV defines the right challenge to address. Based on your new understanding of people and the problem space, synthesizes your scattered findings into powerful insights. Transition from define to ideate. A great transition step to take is to create a list of brainstorming topics that flow from your problem statement. Ideate. Ideate is the mode of design process in which you concentrate on idea generation. Ideation provides both the feel and also the source material for building prototypes and getting innovative solutions in the hands of your users. How to ideate. You ideate by combining your conscious and unconscious mind and rational thoughts with imagination. Transition from ideate to prototype. Bring multiple ideas forward into prototyping by using to vote on 2 to 3 different ideas generated by the team during brainstorming. Multiple perspectives and teamwork are crucial. Design thinking suggests that better answers happen when 5 people work on a problem for a day than 1 person for 5 days. A prototype can be anything that a user can interact with, be it a wall of post-it notes, a gadget you put together, a role-playing activity, or even a storyboard. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a prototype is worth 1,000 pictures. Why prototype? To ideate and problem solve, to communicate, to start a conversation, to fail quickly and cheaply, to test possibilities, to manage the solution building process. How to prototype. Build with your user in mind. Transition from prototype to test. Prototype and test are modes that you consider in tandem more than you transition between. Test. Testing is an opportunity to learn about your solution and your user. The test mode is when you solicit feedback about the prototypes you've created from your users and have another opportunity to gain empathy for the people you are designing for. Iteration, repeat. Design thinking may require looping steps, define and ideate until the right answers surface. And final step. Pick the winner. Execute. At this point, enough road has been traveled to ensure success. This human-centered methodology, coupled with a fail-fast attitude, allows us to identify, build, and test our way to success. We spend less time planning, more time doing, and above all else, challenge ourselves to see the world through the eyes of our customers every step of the way. Join Elucian's user experience team to get a glimpse into human-centered problem solving. You'll come away with a better understanding of how we create innovative solutions and how you can apply these methods to any problem using the innate creativity we all possess.